Getting ready. Getting ready. Getting ready. Getting ready. Alright, let me stop. Okay, y'all, let's hop right into the video. Right here, I got my boy Kobe. He finna go out of town tomorrow, so y'all know we gotta shake him back. Okay, he told me he want a high temp fade, so let's go ahead and get right into it. I'm not gonna do too much talking. Y'all see, I start my bald guideline right by his temple, at the bottom, right above his eyebrow. That's where I like to start my high temp fades. You want to make sure you bald that. And if you're not that good at getting your lines out, I wouldn't use a sharp clipper to put my bald guideline in. They're just a little tip. But yeah, we're gonna hop right into the 2-guard and basically debulk everything on the sides down. You want to debulk everything because his hair was pretty overgrown. So just to make it easier and so you know what you're fading into, go ahead and cut everything down with a certain guard. A certain guard that you want to fade into that you think is dark enough. And for me, I say a 2-guard. And as y'all see, I'm making sure I lay everything down with it. I'm going all the way to the top. I'm making sure that everything is laid down with the 2-guard. As y'all see, it's still very dark. Dark enough to still have a gradient, translucent or whatever the word is type of fade. You know what I'm saying? You want to see that transition. So to me, this is perfect. Right here, we're gonna close it up just a little bit halfway, just to make sure we walking it down nice and slow. And then after this, we're gonna close it up all the way. Y'all know my walk down method. Basically start open halfway, then close. That's what I call my walk down method. You know what I'm saying? Help bring everything together and basically smush it in the middle like a cake. You know what I mean? As y'all see, I'm taking my time with my 2-guard, but let me go ahead and hop right into the 1.5 guard. Now we're gonna start it off open, then we're gonna go halfway and close. And as y'all see, this fade is already coming together very smooth. As y'all see, like, I don't know if y'all can see fades before they finish up, but me, I can. Like, as soon as I debulk, I start to see the picture come together. But yeah, I'm gonna take my time with every guard and get the most out of it. You know what I'm saying? You don't want to jump to different guards too quick, because you will get lost in your fade if you're just jumping around too quick and you're not getting the most out of your guard. So make sure you take your time and go over the hairs, comb. Y'all see I'm combing a lot. Go over it, comb, go over it, comb, go over it, comb. You know what I'm saying? This is art. It's a gradient art. It's kind of like painting. You want to paint your picture and let it all come together.
Oh my God, I just seen a UFO.
I don't know if y'all realized or not, but my index finger I'm using on his cheek, I basically use that finger to just pull the skin and basically get a stretch out of the skin. That's something that I do secondhand nature. It's kind of like something I don't even think about. I just do it. But yeah, you want to always make sure you're getting a stretch on the skin. It definitely helps with getting a tighter blend and more details. You know what I'm saying? Right here, I'm just using my corners, just plucking away at little spots I see at the very top. I'm just plucking at little spots. But right here, I just threw my 1-guard on, and now we just gonna go halfway up. You know what I'm saying? Now we not going as high as we was with the 2-guard, but we going halfway. As you see, I'm using my corners, just getting them little spots I see. When it get down to the 1-guard and the half-guard, that's when you're gonna start being a little bit more precise with your fade. You know what I'm saying? Don't just go in there, yeah. You know what I'm saying? Don't go in there going crazy. Be patient, use your corners, and yeah, basically you just see what I'm doing and then implicate it to your fades. You see a lot of corner work, This is what separates my fades and my haircuts, and this is why my haircuts can stand out, in any room, and basically people know who cut it. You know what I'm saying? Because I have my own way of cutting, my own details, my own eye. You know what I'm saying? Every barber has their own eye though. But yeah, basically implicate. But yeah, basically just imply or apply. Yeah, that's the word I'm looking for. Apply your own style. You know what I'm saying? Do you, but just make sure you're taking your time with whatever you do. You know what I'm saying? Because at the end of the day, you don't want your art to leave out of your art room and it be, you know, worth $5. You know what I'm saying? You want $1 million art. You want art that could be put up in museums, and that's basically how I see my haircuts. You know what I'm saying? I could see all of my haircuts hung up in a museum. You know what I'm saying? That's how I really want my name to hold weight. That's how I want my haircuts to hold weight. You know what I'm saying? Museum worthy. But right here, I got my half guard, and I'm basically gonna do the same thing I did with the one guard. Not going up as high, just flicking out that bottom line for real. Just fading everything gradually and letting everything come together. We're gonna start off open, go halfway, then we're gonna close it up. And basically, by the time we even get to the no guard, it's gonna already look smooth. You know what I'm saying? So it's gonna be light work after that. But yeah, watch me work.
Oh my God, I just seen a UFO.
Okay, right here I'm gonna do no guard with my blade fully open, and I'm gonna use my Babeless on here because I like how thick this blade is. It's basically like my JRLs and my Fade Masters, you know what I'm saying? Like, they got the perfect blades for detailing, even though you could switch the blades out, you know, of course, but I like the blades on them. Y'all see we just closed it up and we not going nearly as high as we was before, you know what I'm saying? We just flicking out that bottom line, and when we are going up high, you see how I just tilt my clipper? I'm making sure I use my corners. You know what I'm saying? I'm making sure I be very precise, and that's what give it that, I don't know if y'all can see, but it's giving it like that, I don't know, it's like a real detailed fade look. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's just making it lay in a certain direction. I like my fades to lay in a certain direction. It give it a certain vibe. But as you see from the front, that's what you always want to make sure you do. Before you finish any fade, make sure you look at it from the front. You know, that expose a lot of little, you know, errors and stuff in your fade. As you see from the front, this fade is looking insane, you know what I'm saying? As you see the gradients. It's just beautiful, you know what I'm saying? The fade is beautiful. But yeah, we're gonna cut this front hairline down with a 1.5 guard. You don't want to go thick, you don't want to go low at all with this hair, you know what I'm saying? We're just gonna try to get a good lay down with this hot lather, but I definitely didn't want to cut too much of it off. And by the way, y'all, I already got like 2 to 3 more other videos already in the vault. They not edited yet, but I've definitely been making sure I record content, you know what I'm saying? Even if I haven't got my last content out, I'm making sure I record content. You know what I'm saying? I'm here to take over YouTube. So if you made it this far in the video and if you learned anything, please make sure you like and subscribe. You know what I'm saying? It means a lot. I'm trying to really grow this channel and take over YouTube. You know what I'm saying? The more love I get, the more consistent I stay. It really motivates me to really just keep going. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, let me know if you got any questions in the comments. And yeah, I'm gonna stop talking and let y'all watch me work. And I know y'all see that weight on the top of the fade. Don't worry, that was from the hot lather, so it laid some of the top hairs down. But you know, y'all seen the fade before, so all you gotta do is comb that up, lift that hair up that's laid down by the hot lather, and the fade is perfect. So yeah, don't think that's weight. You know what I'm saying? It's not weight. It's just laid down here at the top.
Oh my God, I just seen a UFO.
Okay, this part is very satisfying to me. You know what I'm saying? I'm using my razor, and right here you just see everything coming together natural. You know what I'm saying? We didn't use any enhancements on this client. You know what I'm saying? And I'm very satisfied with the way this cut came out. You know what I'm saying? He's more of like a straight hair client, more straight hair, curly hair client, you know. But yeah, I love the way the fade looked. I love the way I angled the bars, like the side bars. Everything is perfect to me, if you ask me. Let me know what y'all think though. Look at this fade, it's crazy. Look at the angles, like come on, like no enhancements, and I got the line up to hit like that. Come on, man. But yeah, let me know what y'all think in the comments though. You know what I'm saying? It's basically the end of the fade. I'm just doing a little touch-up work. You know what I'm saying? But he was very satisfied. He paid me very good, of course. You know, my boy Kobe showed love. You know what I'm saying? But let me know what y'all think. Y'all want more videos? Y'all want more tutorials? Did this haircut teach you anything? You know what I'm saying? Let me know. It's fire. I'm here to take over. I'm here to stay. I'm staying consistent. You know what I'm saying? Let's get it.